All right. Good morning, everybody. This is a stream after a very long time. I hope my screen is visible and the voice. Yeah, the voice is audible. So we will be making trying to solve a program. All right. I'll see that one of my friends has actually told. Okay. So now I know. Even some dot c maybe. So we will try to brief the problem statement before. I can use the C++ compiler, but for some reason I wanted to use this one. A number is given. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Return the even digit sum. In this case, so if we start the indexing from like 1, so it is going to be 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equals to 12. Start the digit indexing from 1 from left to right because it is important. So we will start it out. Right. Enter a number. You are going to need a number and you are going to need a number one array and you are going to need a size for tracking and you are going to need I, right? Ampersand number. So size is equals to size of number by okay, this is actually difficult because you need to get the digits because it is not an array, right? You cannot get the size of that number easily. So what you need to do, you need to okay, let's do temp because I don't want to mess that original number. You can do it in the below. In temp is equals to number while temp is greater than 0. All right, size. Okay, let's initialize the size to 0 firstly. While temp is greater than or is equal to 0, size plus plus and nice. So if you give it something like 256, 125, 2, 2, nice. That is working out. So now you got the size and now what you need to do, wait, you got the number, you got the size, and you are going to use a for loop for okay, maybe I can declare it locally. For int I is equal to 0, I less than size, I plus plus. What are we doing? We are assigning it, alright. Okay, you now got the size over here. In number 1 of size. Yep. That checks out. Okay, the speed is very slow. Now what are you doing? Int reset is equals to, you are using the modulus operator, number mod 10. You got the digit, and now number 1 of I is equals to digit. That does the job. Yeah, I think that does the job. Okay. And now you need to says that for int I is equals to 0, I less than size. So, alright. Actually, I is equals to 1, right? Because the indexing starts from 0 and you need to add 2, 4, 6, 8 digits. I less than size I plus or is equals to 2. You need to include a total here. Total. Okay, I need to initialize the total to 0. Total plus or is equals to array of I. Printf percentile. Yeah, that checks out. Oh god. That's it, I think. GCC events on dot C. Yeah, the small error. Okay. So array is undeclared. Number 1. Yeah, number 1. Oh, nice. Enter a number. Let's do 153. The answer should be 5. Very good. We did what we could. And let's ask GPT now. Off by logic bug cluster. Okay, number needs to be updated. Yeah, that's true. Nice. So yeah, we never updated that. Which one? This one. So it waits for a backslash and still it is not terminating after I click enter. Oh wait. It scans for everything, I guess. Nice. One four. So what should be for this one? 4, 10, 18. Nice. Nice. We solved it in like 11 minutes, which needed to be solved in like 3 minutes. Well, it's alright. Yeah, bye bye.